What if I told you, while most chase a 50 lakh rupees franchise business dream and others are stuck in a 5,000 rupees freelancing side hustle going nowhere, there's a third path in 2026. New manufacturing business ideas that are multi-product in one investment, quietly turning ordinary Indians into factory owners with just a medium investment. Comment business below if you're ready to know more. India's manufacturing sector is exploding in 2026. Here are 4 powerful manufacturing business ideas. 1. The mini combo paper roll making machine. One of the smartest manufacturing business ideas today, make 4 disposable products in one investment. 2-3-4-inch billing rolls, dining paper rolls, aluminium foil rolls, and butter paper rolls with or without printing. 2. The full combo paper roll making machine. 10 disposable products in one investment. Toilet rolls, kitchen towels, HRT and JRT rolls, hospital bed rolls, billing rolls, foil, butter paper, dining rolls, all with and without printing. A game changer among manufacturing business ideas. 3. Gauze swab making machine. One of the top healthcare manufacturing business ideas. A gold mine producing multi-size, multi-ply in a single machine. 4. Roll bandage making machine. Another winner in healthcare manufacturing business ideas with multi-size, multi-meter output. These healthcare manufacturing business ideas are recession-proof. In fact, healthcare manufacturing business ideas are the future of India. Your factory, your brand, your profits. Backed by PLI schemes and MSME support. Smart factories, green tech, AI-driven marketing. Entrepreneurs are building scalable empires from small towns. 2026 won't wait. Pick the one that fits your budget, your city, your dream. Drop the word business in the comments and your factory story starts today.